Like there's no engine. What's going on? Hold on, let me tap on it. I think that's what it is.
Give her a tap, give her a tap.
Go ahead. Oh man. Golly bum, oh.
You're good to go, boy. You're good to go. Yeah.
You got a dream, you gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves, they wanna tell you you can't do it.
What is up, my Back to Life family? I am in Florida. I am here about to be visiting my homeboy, Judah's garage, man. I'm excited. My man's got Rod Wave C8 Corvette that's all smashed up and beat up to pieces. Corvette won't even let him get parts for it. It's crazy. I'm mad for him. I'm about to have to go call Corvette or something. He got the Hellcat with different color rims on it. I'm excited. My man's a beast. I'm about to pull up to his crib though, so let's see what he's got going on and hopefully he don't kick me out. Oh my goodness. I think I see the Hellcat right there. I think so. Oh, and it's a Corvette in the garage. Oh yeah. Let's go. Well, look at this. Let's stop playing with him. You better go follow him though. Judah's Garage, YouTube and Instagram. Why we both filming each other, man? Look, I'm over here plugging you and John. What's good, G?
Bro? How's it going?
Hey man, I'm just.
How's the drive?
It was beautiful, man. Look, I showed him the red side. I didn't show him the green side yet.
What's better, the red or the green?
The red or the green? Comment below. Let him know. I want to walk that way, but I don't want to show him the Corvette yet.
That's
I don't want to show him Rod Wave's Corvette. Hop in a jet like that. About to be doing TikToks out here. Oh, I'm gonna let you open it, man. Oh my goodness, brother, what you got going on? Not the carbon fiber. Look at that, y'all. Look at my man got lights and stuff on his steering wheel. Let her get the purring and stuff. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, the neighbors. I know the neighbors hate you. Your mom probably, man, she probably can't stand you too, man.
She loves me. I put her through a lot.
Yeah, I bet.
She loves me.
Freaking revving car engines and stuff.
Are you ready for this?
There's
a lot to handle.
Drum roll, please. Oh, wow.
I got her,
That's dope. Look at that little kitty right there on the picture.
Little leave in there.
Oh yeah, you know, just for, you know, for aesthetic.
Extra horsepower.
But that's tough, bro.
You gotta see the C8.
Oh man.
She's a work in progress.
Stop
you know?
playing with them.
She's not the prettiest right now, but
hey.
One day.
Oh, it's not what's on the outside. It's what's on the inside. And we got ramen noodles.
We got some ramen, so that's a repair I've been working on. You know, they say ramen fixes anything. So.
Oh my gosh. Fixing Rod Wave C8 with some ramen noodles, huh?
Yeah, that's all you need. You need like a hammer, some ramen.
This is tough, bro. Have you disclosed how much you paid for this and stuff online?
Not
okay, never mind.
I tell people half off.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I don't.
take.
Yeah, okay. I didn't want to expose no numbers yet, but this is tough, bro.
Soon though, I gotta do a little price breakdown when it's all done. I figure when it's done though. That's what I'll say.
That's tough. But look, we got to show them the plug again. Oh, Judah's Garage. I done showed them on every window on that one. I just keep showing it. This thing is beautiful, man. Jeez.
Yeah, from the back, she's perfect. But from the front,
sometimes it be like that.
Yeah, it be like that sometimes.
Oh man, of course, man. If you don't have the right car parts, you just get some noodles and some what is this? That hot glue?
Yeah, hot glue.
A hot glue gun, yeah, with some tape, and you just.
That's what Chevy recommends.
Yeah. I was already talking crazy about Chevy. They won't give you the new frame rails and
junk. They're gonna make me make them myself.
Dang, that's crazy.
Ready for this?
Oh yeah. Oh shoot! Look. Look, you about to ride the dirt bike in the. Okay, you about to pop some wheelies? Okay. Look. Alright, pop some wheelies then. Look who done pulled up, man. Matthew's in the building.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm good, dog. You good?
How's the drive?
Life is good, bro. It don't matter. The drive is always good.
Yeah.
We good to go, man.
Straight wheelie boy type stuff.
Alright, if you ready. I'm putting it on YouTube.
Hey,
don't talk to talk.
You can't set me up for failure like that. We're gonna end up.
It's content, bro.
Hey, he said he's not editing it.
It's content. Oh, shoot. Stop playing with him. No warm up or nothing. My dog just hit it. Alright, chill out, man. Check out my man. Just pulled up on a three-wheeler. Oh, man. Yeah. It looks good. That looks good, brother. Oh, my goodness. That's crazy. Must be nice being Judah's garage.
How you doing?
Bill Nikolai, pleasure to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's beautiful right there.
Yeah, you gotta tell him what you got going on here. He built this from the ground up.
Yeah.
The frame,
Wow.
wheels, axle, motor.
From scratch.
That's beautiful, man.
From nothing but parts.
I respect that. That's tough, man. Be careful now.
350 Chevy, 350 turbo, 9-inch Ford rear end, antique wheels.
Golly.
1971 aluminum wheels.
And you made this from scratch.
Yes.
Bill's the man.
Bill's the man. I like
Bill's
that.
the man.
If you need a hand, Bill's the man.
There you
That
go.
could be a shirt.
Hey, no shirt.
Bill's the man. Need a hand? Bill's the man.
I'm telling you. So we got Rod Wave C8. We got Judah's garage getting in. Does this thing actually start, man?
It doesn't just start.
Like there's no engine. What's going on? Hold on. Let me tap on it. I think that's what it is.
Give her a tap. Give her a tap.
Go ahead. Oh man. Rod Wave C8 with no front end on it. What is going on, man? If you don't hurry up and fix this thing, see what it looks like in the back. Oh, that's sexy.
Back here is nice.
Yeah.
Up front, not so much.
That's beautiful. This is how you make sure the coolant is good.
Yeah.
Get a gallon of water. Hydrate.
hydrated.
Well, yeah, everybody's got to hydrate. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Straight up.
A little bit.
Hey, now I know how you drink a gallon a day.
Yeah.
You're just putting it in there as it's slowly leaking away.
Hey, don't follow him. Stop playing. Oh, shoot, y'all. Ooh-wee.
She moved.
That thing's sexy. Go ahead and pull off one time for us, man. Be careful now. Golly bum, oh. That's crazy.
Neighbors on the Ring camera like, ah.
They're like, we hate Judah's garage. Don't subscribe. Don't like the video.
She's the first
Hey,
like to
but you
every-
tell them, subscribe Judah's garage, blah, blah,
Of
blah.
course now.
Go ahead, man.
You gotta follow Judah's garage.
All
Check
right.
that shit out. That is clean.
Stop cussing. Ooh-wee.
That's so hard.
Come on, bro. Hop in. We got stuff to do.
Man, let me jump in. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
All right, boy.
All right. Getting in the C8. Close the door. Judah's garage, you keep me safe, brother.
I know. Anyone that sees us just thinks like
literally.
they literally do not know what's happening. This goes by, you're like,
Hey.
what?
Like, I swear that car's broke, man. Honey, look.
This goes by, you're like,
Hey.
what?
Like, I swear that car's broke, man. Honey, look.
Definitely gets your attention. This
Hey,
goes
I'm
by.
telling you.
What do you think? You think the seats are comfy? I
Hey,
think they're
it's
awful.
not- I mean, if I'm gonna go fast, they're comfy.
Yeah,
If
they're
they hold me
fast,
down.
yeah. When you
I ain't
get
taking this on no
it
road
feels
trip.
like you're about to go fast.
Hey, I ain't taking this on no road trip, I'll tell you that.
We're thinking about going like to Cali in this.
With no front end?
No. once it's fixed. Are you ready for this?
I guess.
We call this launch control.
Hey, I felt my chest go back, bro. Woo! Alright. Wow, okay, bet. Let me
gotta
get
get
it
it
right
for you,
there.
gotta get it for
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that ride, sir.
Of course, bro.
That was phenomenal. No front end and all.
Round 2 once the front end's.
Yeah, I'll come back to
Together.
see you because that was a little dangerous right there. Go ahead, back her on in there, Bo. Oh man,
How was that?
I feel seasick. Yo, that was absolutely phenomenal. I feel seasick now. Judah's garage, man. Get up in here, dog. You just went crazy on it. I don't know why you did that to me.
I had to. You came all the way from
Bruh.
Chattanooga to Florida.
You have my chest in my throat, in my heart, in my soul, leaving, and all kinds of stuff.
We still got the Hellcat.
Oh
though.
snap!
We can't just leave. You can't just come here.
And it
grab
has a front end, so that means you're gonna try to go faster.
Yeah, it's a little bit crazier. you
Son
know?
of a mother trucker.
That one's a little bit more wild than this one.
All right, man. I gotta just hop in. I guess,
All right,
man.
we gotta do it.
Frick. He doesn't want to come with us. It's cool. No, it's cool. It's cool. No, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right.
All right. Oh, snap. Oh!
I told you it's more
Oh!
Clean with it, boy.
Wow.
Matthew's just
Boy.
used to it.
Yeah, bro. I just felt like like your soul just goes behind or in front. It's one or the other. Are you doing it again? Sheesh.
Don't worry, we're not going over the speed limit.
Yeah, we're 25.
Yeah,
25 miles an hour. It's just loud. That's all it is.
Loud. That's it.
That's all. See, I really don't even like going fast. So when this happens, man, my heart like drops and everything.
You're not like a roller coaster guy?
No, 0%.
Really?
0% roller coaster.
See, we're the opposite.
0% roller coaster guy, bro.
Like, bro, we don't gotta do it, you know?
I'm good.
Oh, I guess we don't gotta do it. Nah, we're doing it.
Oh, we're doing it? Okay. Oh, shoot, dude. Alright, we gotta go, dog. Police come out. That's enough.
That might have been a sign of God saying not to do
I
it.
told you, bruh.
Oh!
Did you rip it?
Oh! Yeah, we're
Wow. Look at the dude. Don't touch it, man. Oh, it's hot as balls, bro. Oh yeah, you're shredded, dude. I knew it, bro. I told you. God didn't want us to do that, man.
He did.
Bruh.
He was like, "Do not do this,
Bruh.
Judah. Do not do it."
Look at, show me that. Look at that, y'all. That tire
That's
is
a souvenir.
shredded.
That's
It's
for you.
over. That's too hot. Oh my gosh, man. That's crazy.
This ain't nothing. This is another day.
I guess when you got that YouTube money, it must be easy.
Screw it. Content.
I knew I needed new tires, so this is just
You know what? You're welcome.
what a better guy to blow my tires out.
You're welcome, brother. Y'all, this tire is so effed up. Oh my gosh, dude.
Over. I'm like, nah, man, it wasn't me.
Yeah, it wasn't you.
He's like, dude, your tires are
No,
blown
we don't
out."
have video evidence. Yo, that's crazy. Tires blown out. Life is good though.
Life is good. As long as it's on film,
Hey,
life is good.
If you do it for the vlog, blow the
Yeah, do it
tires
for the
out.
vlog, yeah. I need new tires anyway.
That's crazy, bro.
You know how much I paid for these tires?
How much them cost?
$20 on Facebook.
Stop playing.
Swear.
Oh, blow them out, baby.
So yeah, we're alright. We're alright.
Matthews, blow them out. Blow them out. All right. Let's see what's really going on here.
I got you.
I got you. Let's see what's actually going on here, man. Oh, snap.
Ooh.
Both sides, bro. Look at that.
Ooh, dude.
But stop touching it. I know it's hot.
No, it's not. It's not.
Jump rope. Go ahead. You on your David Goggins stuff right now.
I can't. They're not allowed.
They come out.
Look at that.
We might as well at this point.
Jeez.
I had to do it for you, bro. I had to do it.
Do it for the vlog, right?
Send it.
Come on, man. If it ain't full send,
Full
we don't
sends
want
only.
to.
That's-
Come on, man. If we
that's
ain't
all
full
we know around
sending,
here,
we
yeah.
ain't with Judah's garage, man. Then something ain't right. Literally, Judah and his garage right there. Gang, gang.
Simple math.
You hear me? 1 + 1 = 3. Alrighty, y'all, man. My boy Judah, Matthews right there, man. Everybody, we had a good time. I had a good time in the Corvette, in the freaking Hellcat. You popping wheelies and junk, acting crazy. This guy over here is acting crazy just because he's crazy. Y'all going to Brazil soon, ain't you?
We are.
Hey,
3 months.
Vlog session.
hey, go
You
to
gotta come
Brazil.
with us.
No, you gotta
Stop
come
playing, man.
It's out there.
Hey, I would love to come to Brazil. I probably can't do it this time around, but one day
It's
we all
like
need
2
to
months
go out
away.
there.
You can plan it out.
Hey, man, when I gotta plan stuff, I feel nervous.
We're gonna find out. We put him on the spot on the camera.
Hey,
you gotta
I'm
come.
about to put you on the spot, man. I appreciate you, dog, with the C8. We appreciate Rod Wave. His health is what we appreciate, but we
His health is
appreciate
good.
this car and being here. It's gonna be done soon. If Chevy could get it together and let my dog get some parts, we would appreciate that. So Chevy, if you're watching this video, stop playing with one man Judah's garage. It's literally Judah in his garage. So stop playing.
It doesn't get any more realer than that.
Come on, man. Where are we? Like in Florida?
We're in Cape Coral, Florida.
We're in
Southwest
Cape Coral.
Florida.
Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. I didn't even tell him where I was because I didn't know. So everybody.
Address is
He's like, hold on, not Judah and not his garage. But anyways, y'all, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. And make sure y'all go follow my man Judah. I'm going to put his link down below. Go subscribe to him. Go to his Instagram, Judah's Garage. Follow him every single place. Even follow his boy Matthews right there, man. They make awesome, dope content about cars, about living life, having fun. And if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram and TikTok, make sure you do that at NicoTJR. Check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some merch. My Back to Life family. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
I know that I can. I know that I can.
I know that I can, I know that I will, and I know that I am. Yeah, I know that I can, I will, and I am.